Welcome to Top Rated. Ten Best Metal Lathe Machine of 2025. Welcome to our workshop. The future of precision machining is here, and we've tested every contender to bring you the definitive list. In this video, we count down the top 10 metal lathe machines of 2025. From powerful industrial workhorses to versatile home shop models, discover which machines made the cut for unparalleled accuracy and reliability. Let's begin the countdown. Top 1. VEVOR Metal Lathe Machine, 8.7x39in, Precision Bench Power Metal Lathe, Automatic Feed, 0 to 2500 RPMs Variable Speed, 1250W, Brushless Motor, for processing precision parts soft metals wood plastics. Electronic gear system, seamlessly switch between metric and imperial threads without changing gears. Our Benchtop metal lathe saves you time with simple panel controls. Supports 9 metric threads, 0.5 to 3 mm, 19 imperial threads, 6 to 40 TPI, and custom mode, 0.5 to 3 mm. Belt-free operation, with a belt-free spindle drive. There are no belt consumables, reducing costs and simplifying maintenance for a smoother, more efficient operation. Fully automatic feed, adjust a stroke, center distance, from 0 to 1000 mm and feed rate from 0.01 to 0.40 mm via the panel. Our power metal lathe can fully automate threading. Top 2. TECHTONGDA Metal Lathe Machine Industrial Bench Lathe Geared Head Lathe 10x27 Variable Speed Turning Machine Precision Mini Lathe with High Torque 115 to 1620 RPMs AC 110 V1 horsepower. Industrial Bench Lathe. This is a professional industrial lathe, equipped with AC motor to output more torque and more power. At the same time, its 10.2 inches swing diameter and 27.5 inches distance between centers makes it fully qualified for the needs of industry and workshops, with extensive use and simple operation. High precision. This geared head bench lathe equipped with MT4 spindle and MT2 tailstock. High-quality modules and stringent assembly requirements provide unmatched accuracy. Quiet running, easy cleanup on gearbox, less mistakes during manufacturing, all parts of rest work smoothly. Easy to operate. By controlling the 2-speed shift handles, you can quickly and accurately switch the spindle speed gear from 115 RPMs to 1620 RPMs. Top 3. VEVOR Metal Lathe, 8.3x 29.5 feet Benchtop Metal Lathe 0 to 2500 RPMs Continuously Variable Speed 750W Brushless Motor Metal Gears, with LCD Display Metal Lathe Machine. Security comes first. Our metal lathe machine has multiple security features in case of emergency, ensuring operator security. These include an emergency stop switch, overload protection, chuck cover power-off switch, pulley set housing power-off switch, and a main, control panel security switch. Continuously variable, features a spindle that can turn in both forward and reverse directions, with 2-speed options, a high gear of 100 to 2500 RPMs and a low gear of 50 to 1250 RPMs. It also has intelligent electric speed controls and a digital display, allowing for accurate speed adjustments and making your work easier. Top 4. VEVOR Metal Lathe, 8.26 inches x 28.3 lathe machine, 2500 RPMs Variable Speed Change 750W Brushless Motor Precision Lathe Milling Machine for various metal turning working. Sturdy and durable construction. The mini lathe is made of high-quality HT200 cast iron, which stands up to tear and wear. It is equipped with a 750W motor that delivers a great deal of energy. If you are into making models, it would be your punctilious assistant. High precision operation. Spindle bore, 1.5 inches / 38 mm. Our metal lathe is pre-installed with a 3-jaw chuck, 4.9 inches / 125 mm in diameter, which clamps raw materials tight, and a backsplash guard that ensures your safety during operation. The metal lathes boast exceptional precision, ensuring that every workpiece meets the tightest tolerances and specifications. Top 5. VEVOR high-quality metal lathe, 8x16 550W benchtop lathe machine, 0 to 2500 RPMs variable speed, with 0.0003 inch spindle, accuracy metal gear, for precision parts thread soft metals wood. Spacious 8x16 and workbench, with a maximum processed material diameter of 8 in, 210 mm, and length of 16 inches, 370 mm. This power metal lathe is ideal for handling medium to small projects like mold making, part repair, and crafting. Custom designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, it provides versatility for various tasks. High precision machining, the solid metal body ensures stable operation, while the high precision 3-jaw chuck effectively handles both square and round objects for threading tasks. Supports 14 metric threads, 0.3 to 3 mm, and 10 imperial threads, 44-10 TPI, accurate speed control, with a maximum speed of 2500 RPMs and variable speed control. This metal lathe machine allows you to adjust the machining speed for different materials and processes, improving precision for every project. Effortless operation, easily adjust the bench metal lathe in multiple directions for maximum flexibility. Top 6. TECHTONGDA metal lathe double chuck bench Q lathe precision power turning machine 1100W brushless motor with grating, roller steady rest following rest for high concentricity. Professional and versatile use, this model is equipped with high concentric double chucks, 2-axis digital grating ruler, steady rest and following rest, which makes it complete the shaft and tube processing better, such as billiard cue, gun barrel and etc. Double chuck, available with 4.9 size chuck and 3.5 inches size chuck. The concentricity is up to 0.03 to 0.05 mm, designed for the processing of longer objects. High-quality materials make its service life longer. High-powered brushless motor, equipped with a newly upgraded 1100W brushless motor, delivering more power while eliminating the need for brush replacement, designed for long-lasting and uninterrupted use. Top 7. VEVOR mini metal lathe, 8 inches x 14, variable speed 2250 PRM, 650W precision lathe for various metal types. Sturdy and durable construction, the mini lathe is made of high-quality cast iron which stands up to tear and wear. It is equipped with a 600W motor that delivers a great deal of energy. If you are into making models, it would be your professional assistant who has precise, metric graduations and metal gears and therefore is punctilious. Infinitely variable speeds, revolving speed range, 50-2250 plus or minus 10% RPM. The mini lathe machine comes with variable speeds that give you the convenience to achieve the best work. This lathe allows you to work on both forward or reverse of any possible speed. The feeding rate can be adjusted manually or automatically. And an emergency button is accessible just in case. Works with precision, spindle bore, 0.8 inch/21 mm. The metalworking lathe is pre-installed with a 3-jaw chuck, 3.9 inches/100 mm in diameter, which clamps raw materials tight, and a backsplash guard that ensures your security during operation. Top 8. VEVOR mini metal lathe, 7 inches x 14, benchtop metal lathe, 550W variable speed 2250 RPMs metal lathe, with 3-jaw chuck mini lathe, machine, precision mini lathe with toolbox digital display for metal turning. 550W powerful motor, the benchtop mini metal lathe is equipped with a 550W powerful motor, is excellent for handling small to medium projects. User-friendly design, the aluminum handwheel is more durable. A digital display screen is convenient for you to follow up the processing. LED light can help you finish the work in gloomy places. Multiple rotation rate, the milling machine can adjust a speed from 0 to 2500 RPMs by the knob. Spindle adjustable rate for multiple workings. professional tool rest, the 4-way tool post is contributed to providing greater control of your work. Open the lock and change the tool, with a slight turn. Top 9. JET 9 inches x 19 inches belt drive bench lathe, 3/4 horsepower, 115 V1 pH, model BDB919. Backlash adjustments provided throughout the carriage, emergency stop within easy reach of the operator, full-length splash guard, power longitudinal feed allows threading and reverse threading, quick change gearbox provides wide range of inch and metric threads, reversing switch for added versatility. The BDB919 benchtop lathe is perfect for the most versatile shops. Engineered with precision induction hardened ground bedways, and precision tapered roller bearings, the BDB919 delivers the smooth operation and rigidity needed to craft professional pieces. Top 10. Creworks Mini Metal Lathe 9 inches x 30 inches benchtop metal lathe with 3-jaw chuck and 3000 RPMs max. Spindle speed, 1100 W, metalworking machine with LCD display, metal lathe machine for threading turning drilling. Mini yet powerful, measuring only 43.7 x 16.9 in, this mini metal lathe by Creworks packs a punch with its 1100 W motor, making it ideal for tackling small to medium metalworking projects. It provides an 8.7 inches swing over bed and 29.5 inches distance between its centers with a 1.5 inches spindle bore, complete control. The mini metalworking machine's rotational speed can be set from 0 to 3000 RPMs and monitored through the real-time, digital display. The well-crafted head and tail stocks, large through-hole, and 4-way tool post also contribute to providing greater control of your work. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.